You know, James, your father and I would come up here every winter after the firm closed. After he made his choice.
I've heard the stories.
So you have it then. The nautical cane. Good. You know, they say the finance guild goes back millennia. Older than the Freemasons, even fantasy football.
Save the lore, Vincent. I told you. I'm out.
I thought you might say that. But what if I told you there was now a way to track your budgets across cards, bills, and purchase orders, all in one place?
And where is this place?
Look around you, James.
It can't be. They were just stories.
No, James. It was the story. Behold, ramped budgets. B2B SaaS your father would have killed for.
He did. You're telling me this is the key?
I'm telling you, our product roadmap has just begun.